Hello, everyone. This is Tiffany. Welcome back to our Autumn Designs Wired Ribbons. First, we have our Autumn Words collection, featuring warm greetings, pumpkins, and corn. These ribbons bring the harvest spirit right to your holiday decor. Next, fall in love with our maple leaf patterns. With cozy fall colors and hot cocoa designs, they create a calm and peaceful autumn vibe. Moving on, here is the Autumn Leaves Festive series. These colorful leaf patterns and elegant leaf prints are perfect for your Thanksgiving crafts and gift wrapping. Then, look at these adorable fall animals. Playful squirrels and cute owls add a fun, lively touch to your seasonal projects. Nothing says autumn like pumpkins. From rustic trucks to overflowing harvest baskets, these ribbons are classic favorites for any fall celebration. Finally, brighten your home with golden trees and bright sunflowers. They add a warm, festive charm to complete your seasonal decorations.
The world turns into a painting.
Leaves fall, memories rise.
Autumn whispers, beauty lingers.